Hello everyone. You might hear my youngest's voice in the background once in a while, but other than that, we should be pretty good. So I'm gonna do this junk journal of the days with Toad and Frog. And I personally loved this junk journal when I was younger. So I did choose 4 pages for my 2 signatures and washi taped them together with some washi tape here and here.
Here's the marker from that one.
So, and then
Oh no!
what?
They have no marker for this one.
I don't know where the other ones are. And I used one of my DigiKits, which I have decided I'm going to try making all my digitals on my creations page or Etsy shop, and then my regular stuff that's art supplies and craft things and everything onto my regular Etsy shop, just to separate it out a little in case somebody wants a particular type of item. If it was mainly digitals, I probably wouldn't be doing that, and if there wasn't so many issues in May with that stuff. But this is my Teresa's Teresa's Garden digital kit. So I just wanted to quickly do a flip through of this. I did do some on coffee dyed paper and then regular copy paper. So, but I want to show them off on coffee dyed paper because I did try to minimize the color, not take away all the color, but minimize it, as you can tell in this one. But most of the what I did was just have it as one. Each of the pictures are just one picture within the kit because I wanted other people to be able to have a little bit of creative freedom with how they were going to make their items with this piece. So, and this is one with coffee dyed or regular copy paper. What? Them are cute. So I wanted to show you what I was going to use as the pages. For the most part, I'll be adding stuff like graph paper and stuff like that to it too. And this is going to be my, oh, you got to show off your tires? Okay. This is Rosie's Lego tires.
And my Bella's tire.
And your Bella's tires.
Yes.
But these are just random collages that I've made and stuff, and I'm going to use it as collage pages when I go to make this portion of the junk journal.
Bye.
Bye? Okay. And I did make some pockets. And I'm actually just going to collage all the fussy cut papers because I'm starting to really like this process when it comes down to this, because I overthink. And I know I'm an overthinker when it comes down to certain things. So I figure, okay, if I collage on that, I have my coffee dyed paper ready to go for after I collage, and I just take pieces of paper and collage away. I make all my tags and some pockets and a belly band and everything, and I don't have to worry about doing it myself. So that was my whole theory on that. If I do it this way, maybe I'll have a little less work later on. And yeah, I know it kind of takes out the creativity a little bit of it, but I'll be dressing it up. Don't worry. Just, I want the bases to be all the Frog and Toad themed at this point. If I want to make more off of that ephemera, I will. But at this point, I want to try it this way and see how it looks. Maybe add some extra things after I start collaging. But for right now, this is what I want to do. And I love using washi tape to hold these together so they're not like moving on me while I'm trying to glue stuff down. Because if you're like me, it moves around a lot when I'm gluing. I mean a lot. So, I don't have to worry about that issue either. Now, I want to add a piece of this there. My ruler's right in front of me, of course. And I don't really want this full cross to be showing. I want part of it. So. There we go. I want to see you build something.
Okay. Can build stuff.
That would be awesome, Rosie. Build me a house.
Build you a house?
Yep.
Okay. If we're not to build a house.
Yeah, I just think these colors just go so well together. Let's do that. Maybe have a piece of this at the bottom. Maybe or something like this as a background for it. I think that would be cute. Pretty cool. Let's make a background behind it before we add it to our piece. I suppose I could have put this backwards, but oh well. You can't figure it out. I think you can. I don't think Rosie and can't exists. You're just gonna leave them out? Why?
Because I'm gonna pay them hours.
Oh, okay. You think so? I told you the volume's staying down while I do my video. That was our deal.
No.
That was a part of bringing out the Legos.
Okay. I'm gonna put back in this one.
Well, you gotta pick them all up and make sure there's none on the floor, okay?
There's none on the floor.
So double check.
That's it. There's no stuff on the floor. I put it. That's so heavy.
Why is it so heavy?
Cause my woman.
Did you make sure all the Legos were put back in it?
Yeah.
You better double check.
Yes, it does, Mom.
Because you know how Mommy feels about having to pick that stuff up. So, me and Cody have been trying out with this. Let's separate the girls and see how they react with a day off from each other, because with the quarantine, or not the quarantine, the stay at home and everything, the girls, we feel, may be having too much time together. You know, when you see somebody over and over again for days and weeks and months at a time, you kind of get that natural I hate you feel. And it isn't anything they did wrong. It's just what it is, you know? And so we've been working hard on trying to give them a break from one another. Yes? What is it, honey? I'm almost done with this. Can you wait until I'm done, please?
No, I want them to go back on.
I will rush a little bit then, okay?
Okay. What? I wanna keep on getting it now.
Your Bella? Your Bella ain't even here. No, your Bella's not even here.
Only us.
Yep, only us.
And tomorrow I go to Daddy's house.
Yeah, tomorrow you're gonna go to Daddy's
And my
house?
Bella going. She was going to go there. And
Bella's gonna go back there too?
yeah.
Yeah. You guys are gonna spend some quality time with Daddy?
Yes.
Yes.
Susumana down going to pick me up.
Really?
Only. And my Bella going to say.
Oh, you think so?
In the car.
Oh, you think? That's how it goes?
In my daddy's car.
Oh.
And grandma's car. I'm gonna keep on going in my grandma's car.
Oh. You think so?
Then my daddy's car. My daddy's car is
Your daddy's car is your car, and you think Sissy's car is Grandma's car? I know, as some smaller pieces here. Would any...
but our daddy's just 50.
What?
With steak. Dixie's car with steak.
Daddy fixed his car with tape?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Like on, because yesterday he just put down.
Yeah?
Stopping new.
Oh,
Stopping.
I didn't know that.
the mouse Costello Road and they're sicker than Costello Road
Yeah? There was a chicken that crossed the road?
and he said puppies.
And he said, capiche?
No,
No?
he says bump into it.
Really?
And he fixed it and he fixed it too.
Really? You guys fixed it?
Yes.
Wow.
With
She has great stories, don't she?
Survivors. With survivors. And he says get it apart and
Yeah? How's Daddy's truck going?
going.
That's good.
Not going yet.
It's not done yet?
No.
No. Do you not like the factor that it ain't done yet?
But it's going in there. I want to say this my lipstick.
But I'm pretty sure you get the gist of what I'm doing because I've been doing this for a while. But we're going to try some of them collage way, and then I'm going to do these ones with some ephemera pieces that I have up there that need to be decorated. Because I have lots of tags and stuff that are undecorated at the moment. So I figure do some of each and see how it looks at the end. But I really like this collage now that I'm done doing it. And as you could tell, I wasn't really paying attention to what I was doing. So I will talk to you later. Enjoy the rest of your night. Bye.
Bye.